Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some interesting news to share with you all in today's video. In this episode, we are going to talk about one of the interesting characters from our favorite TV series Heartland. Who is Mrs. Sally Bell from Heartland? Do watch this video till the end to know everything about Mrs. Bell in our latest edition. Mrs. Sally Bell is a well-known elderly friend of Heartland. She would sell healing herbs to Marion and offered Amy the same kind of assistance after Marion's death. Some products of Mrs. Bell includes seeds, honey and jam. She is hard of hearing, but it seems to be an intermittent issue, as she hears quite well when she wants to. Her horse is a mini white pony, Sugarfoot. In season 1, Mrs. Bell goes to Heartland to deliver herbs to Amy for the horses. Mallory gets worried about Mrs. Bell and is concerned because she is deaf. A few days later, when Mallory goes into labor, Amy asks Lou to get Mrs. Bell to help when Scott is too far away to help. She brings more herbs and helps Amy and Lou deliver the foal. Mrs. Bell is plottering around in her garden when she starts to feel unwell. Sugarfoot leads her back to the house. Amy and Mallory bring her sopping over and find her unconscious. Amy calls an ambulance and they believe she had a heart attack. Sugarfoot is taken to Heartland to be looked after until she asks her niece, Vanessa, to look after him until she can again. In season 2, Mrs. Bell goes to Heartland and delivers herbs. She allows Amy to borrow Sugarfoot to help venture. Mrs. Bell runs into Amy in town and asks her if she is competing for Rodeo Queen. She tells her she isn't, and Mrs. Bell thinks it's for the best after what happened with Lou when she competed for Little Miss Rodeo when she was younger. Mrs. Bell is in charge of announcing the Rodeo Queen competition and announces the winners. She tells Lou how impressed she was that she didn't stomp on another participant's flag this time. Lou goes to visit Mrs. Bell and is shocked when she hands Lou a letter she received from Hudson County about not having the right environment for livestock and could impound Sugarfoot. Although Mrs. Bell mishears her and thinks she is talking about the Hudson Derby, Lou talks to Miss Newton from Hudson County and tries to convince her that Sugarfoot is not livestock but a pet or a guide animal after he looked after Mrs. Bell when she had a heart attack. She brings her by Mrs. Bell's but appears to be bad timing when Sugarfoot walks out of the house refusing his bath. Miss Newton realizes that Lou was stretching the truth and feels Mrs. Bell might be better in assisted living. She demands to fight her with a lawyer and decides to organize another Hudson Derby to raise the money required. Mrs. Bell drops the flag starting the race at the Derby as per Lou's request. After the Derby, Lou visits Mrs. Bell that they only broke even, so they can't give her any more money for a lawyer. In season 3, when Lou and Amy talk about how Jack's letting Amy and Ty go to the Hanley's palace unsupervised, but when she mentions Peter, he gets defensive. Mrs. Bell tells them about her own experience. She tells them how her father didn't approve of her first boyfriend. She gave him a jar of her jam and he returned it empty with a butterfly in it. She tells them that they were nearly married, but it didn't work out, and still thinks of him every year during canning season. When Mallory tries to persuade Amy not to go to the Hanleys, Lou asks Mrs. Bell if she believes it's haunted. She tells them she thinks it's not the places but the people that are haunted. After Amy helps Mr. Hanley, she spots Mrs. Bell arrive and goes to visit one of the graves. Mr. Hanley tells her that her family used to own the farm, and she comes this time of year every year to visit loved ones. Amy realizes that Mrs. Bell is the farmer's daughter from the ghost story, and Thomas Reader, the stable hand that died and haunts the barn, was her boyfriend. Mrs. Bell takes a butterfly in a jar to the grave of Thomas Reader and later releases it. Lou tries to convince Mrs. Bell to partner up with her and enter her jam into the jamboree since everyone loves her jam. She refuses and allows Lou to enter with her recipe but warns her that it's a nasty business. Lou later returns to Mrs. Pearl's and finds two women. They introduce themselves as Pearl Astronaut and Florence Rook, the head of the Horse and Women's Union and in charge of the Jamboree. At the Jamboree, Florence and Pearl tells Lou that she is not allowed to hand out pamphlets. Lou pulls out the regulations and tells them she can. Pearl is announced as the winner, disappointing Lou and Mrs. Pearl. However, one of the judges comes over and tells her they want to stock her jam in their Hudson stores. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.